If your Chrome download is stuck on scanning for viruses, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Chrome virus scan so the file can finish downloading. This is a common issue on Windows, and it usually happens when Chrome Safe Browsing or Windows Defender is slowing the process down. I'll walk you through both fixes step by step, and I'll also show you the safest way to turn everything back on afterward. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's try turning off Chrome's Safe Browsing Protection. Open Chrome, then click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, click Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left-hand panel and select Privacy and Security, then click Security. Once you're in the Security section, scroll until you find the Safe Browsing header. Here, you'll see a few options, and for this fix, select No Protection. Chrome will warn you that this is not recommended, and that's true. This step is only temporary so you can get a stuck download moving again. After you choose No Protection, go back to the download and see if it continues. In many cases, that's enough to unblock the file right away. If the download is still stuck, the next thing to check is Windows Defender. Sometimes Windows Security starts scanning the file in the background and the process hangs. To fix that, open your Windows Start menu and type Windows Security, then press Enter. Once Windows Security opens, click Virus and Threat Protection. On that page, scroll down until you see Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click it and then find Real-Time Protection. Toggle that switch to Off. Windows may ask for confirmation, and if it does, approve the change so you can test the download. Now return to Chrome and try the download again. If Windows Defender was the reason the file was frozen, the download should move forward normally now. Just remember, this is also a temporary change. Once your download is complete, it's a smart idea to turn protection back on so your computer stays secure. To do that, go back into Windows Security and switch Real-Time Protection back on. Then, in Chrome, you can also return to Safe Browsing settings and choose Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection again if you want full security restored. So to recap, if Chrome downloads are stuck on scanning for viruses, first try disabling Chrome Safe Browsing, and if that doesn't work, temporarily turn off Windows Defender Real-Time Protection. One of those two steps usually clears the problem fast. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Windows and Chrome Fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.